I'll share my world with you.
Hey guys, today's video I am going to be showing you guys this water wave half wig from Nadula hair. Here is what the wig looks like. This is after the wig's been washed, but I'm just showing you guys the construction of the wig cap up close. Here's the wig pre-wash, pre-anything. As you can see, the curls are kind of flat, so I always suggest you wash your curly hair so you can really see what the curls are going to look like. And they all come with the adjustable drawstring in the back. So for wig prep, since this is a half wig and it's curly, I'm not really going to do much to like my actual hair because I don't have to. So I'm just going to section off what we're going to use as our leave out, and then the rest of the hair I'm just going to put on a wig cap. And normally I'll style my hair after I put on the wig, but today I am going to pre-curl my hair before I put on the half wig just to make things easier. So I am using my crimping iron because the hair is water wave texture, so it kind of goes from like a deep wave into ringlet curls. So the crimping iron should give the perfect match for the top of the wig. So let's see how that works out. You see what I was talking about, really loose at the top. So I'm just going ahead and putting the wig on. This half wig has a lot of combs at the top, which I appreciate because it just gives a more secure feel. I know a lot of half wigs have like one main comb at the top, and sometimes that tends to slide back, but this one is like comb after comb after comb, so you literally don't have to worry about your wig sliding back. It also has a comb in the back and the adjustable drawstring, so you really get like the perfect fit. So this is what the wig looks like initially on with my deep waves. You can really leave out as little or as much as you want. If you didn't want it so close to your hairline, you could put it further back. It's just personal preference, but this is what the wig looks like on me. I believe this is 22 inches stretched probably, but I'll list the specific details down below. So I'm just showing you guys, you can flip it side to side, whatever your heart desires.
I'll share my world with you.
And then of course I have to do a little edge work. I'm just using my good old setting foam. Normally I would curl my edges first, but we're here. And I'm doing some touch-ups with my crimping iron. So here I just section off some of my leave out as well as the extensions to blend them together. And this is for me the perfect blending technique with any like water wave, deep wave hair, because look, perfect. So just some spot touch-ups here and there. And voila, so this is the first style, really cute, just a simple flip over. Now I am going to do like two little clips at the top. These half wigs are so versatile, you can really treat them like a flip over, quick weave, or sew in, and it's so lightweight. Like this wig is so light, the hair is super soft and airy, if that makes any sense. It's not heavy at all. So I just pinned my hair back, and this is my go-to style. Like when I don't want to worry about blending or want hair in my face, I pin my hair back, and it's just really cute, simple and easy. This is the hair from the back, so full, just cute. And then we're going to take the clips out and we're going to do a half up, half down. You literally can do anything you want. I also like how flat the half wig is. As you can see, I brushed my hair and you don't see any lumps. It's very seamless and easy to manipulate into any style that you want. So Half up, half down is what it is. And a cute little hack, I hate when my hair sticks out of like the ponytail, so I'll pull my hair to the back and tuck it into the back of the ponytail holder so your ponytail can be nice and seamless. So I do that whenever there's hair sticking out. So my little tip for y'all. But yeah, this is it. This concludes this video. I'll be sure to list all of Nadula's hair info in the description box for you guys, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.